What's up, guys? Welcome back to the homestead. Today I'm just going to do a short little homestead update here of what I have going on right here behind me in the chicken tractor. You can see all the chickens in it right now. They want out. I might have to let them out after the video, let them run around a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to be updating you guys on what's going on just in this area, direct area of the homestead. So right behind me here, I got the cabbages down right there. There's 3 cabbage plants in there, I think. There was a lot more at the beginning of the year, but then a lot of them died off. They got some weird red blight thing. I don't know. It wasn't a lack of water. They had plenty of water. I know somebody said that was a problem, but I don't think that's what the problem was, because I watered them plenty. They had plenty of water after the first 3 died, and more just kept on dying for weeks after that. That problem ended a few months ago, but the 3 that are in there are still going now. The next thing I have to mention in today's video is the DIY raised bed garden, which is doing terrific. And I had a video come out maybe a month or so ago on how good it was doing down there. Check it out, guys. Look at how good it's doing compared to maybe the first time you saw it with planting it. It's really improved. So down here is some basil, and then I also got the biggest cabbage is right there. That's under some netting to keep the deer off of it. And then one night, deer still did get in there and eat a lot of lettuce and cabbage, unfortunately. But what is still in there is still doing terrific. So down here, there's some carrots by my hands right there. Some more carrots right there. And then the tomato plant. One tomato plant is right here. And then there's another tomato plant in there on the other side of the basil. But anyway, that's the DIY raised bed garden. It's got some beets in there, some delicious loose leaf lettuce, and the DIY raised bed garden is just doing absolutely fantastic. I would recommend raised beds above any other kind of garden. So if you haven't yet tried out a raised bed, try it out. Even with the soil not being like super high quality, it was still decent quality soil. That did fantastic this year. Shortly, in about a month or so, maybe a little less than a month, I'm going to be doing a video on how to fill up your raised bed and how to re-amend the soil. Okay, the chickens are getting kind of crabby there. I'm going to have to let them out in a little bit. Right there, there's the chicken coop, but the chicken coop is not what I wanted to show you. It's what's in front of the chicken coop. So, right down here in front of the chicken coop is this really cool tomato plant. I posted on Instagram and Facebook about it. If you want to go check it out, my Instagram username is Maple Hill Chickens. On Facebook, it's Maple Hill Farm still. But anyway, down here, it just popped up over a month ago. It's doing fantastic. I'm going to order some greenhouse plastic for that chicken tractor modification process, and I'm going to maybe make like a little greenhouse thing for this tomato plant, because I want to see what it produces, because it's just so healthy and doing so good right here. With all the chicken poop in the ground from last year, it rotted. This tomato plant is just doing fantastic. It's so healthy. It's not getting blighted at all. I just have to see what it's going to produce, even if I just get 1 or 2 tomatoes from it. So that's definitely going to happen. I might build like a little greenhouse structure around it. Even if I only get 2 more weeks of growth, that might make the difference in if it produces a tomato or not. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Look over here, show you guys the chickens, because in there, if you look in the nesting box, can you see in the nesting box, there's like 4 eggs in there, and that's awesome. So it laid 4 eggs in there today. That's pretty good. Oh, that's really good, because I got 1 egg out of the coop this morning, and that means that 4 of the chickens, at least 4 of the chickens, if not 5, because the chicken was still in the coop, they didn't have access to the nesting box in there. That means at least 4 of the chickens have figured out how to lay their eggs in the brand new nesting box. I did a video about that like a week or so ago. But anyway, you can go check that out. I haven't had it for long, and now at least 4 of them are trained to it, if not all 5 of them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. We post 2 new videos every week. Also, there's a new pizza sauce video coming out soon, how to make pizza sauce. I was gonna post that earlier, but I had some technical difficulties with the internet and stuff posting it, and it's a video editor, so that one's gonna get out a little later than I thought, but that one will be out soon, guys, so be sure to stick around for it. I'll see you all right back here, Maple Hill Farm, in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and like. Okay, see you guys.